So this young person, tan okaipo, tan okaipo. It says in Japanese here, kore wakamono yo, which doesn't sound like kono wakamono. It sounds like here, young man or young person. So maybe that's what they're trying to say. Here, like they're calling out to someone. Listen. So that's the difference here. I don't think it's actually tang okaipo, but it's tang okaipo. It's quick, so it's actually just getting someone's attention. So listen, young person. So tang okaipo. Tang okaipo. So kore wakamono yo. So oi, young person. Tang okaipo. Tang okaipo. So what is oi, young person, or kore wakamono yo? Tang okaipo. Tang okaipo. Tang okaipo. I think po is like a young person or child, maybe. So okaipo. Maybe it's like a young boy. From now, I'm going to speak, so listen. O kore kara watashi ga iu koto o yoku kikinasai. Itak anchik e inu katu enean ni. So I will speak. Itak ang. If chik e inu, you listen. Katu enean ni. That's a way of saying to do something. So listen. Katu is like the Japanese kata, I think, maybe. I'm not sure. But it means something like in a way, I guess. I can't remember exactly. I have studied it before, but make sure to listen or something like that. So essentially, listen to what I'm about to say. So, itak ang chik e inu katu ene ani. Itak ang chik e inu katu ene ani. So I think katu ene ani is a set. So just probably maybe remember it as a set, because I don't know if it gets used aside from asking people to do something. I could be wrong though. So itak ang chik e inu katu ene ani. So what is, listen to what I'm about to say. Itak ang chik e inu katu ene ani. Itak ang chik e inu katu ene ani. Inu is the intransitive, so it doesn't need an object. It is just listen. So I am listening versus I am listening to something. So in this case, if you talk about listening to, it would be just nu, I believe. So something something e nu, something something ku nu, if I remember correctly. It's the same with other words. For example, I think ku is to drink, and if you put e at the front of it, it becomes just to drink something. It hasn't got an object, so iku. And I think e and ipe are the same as well. So the what you call it, the village leader, the chief leader, even, or this here is chief of the village, even, something like that. So in Japanese it'd be koko no soncho ni mo. So tan kotan kon nishbaka. Tang, so here, I guess this here. Kotang Konnichiwa, the leader. Ka, even. Tang kotang konnichiwa ka. Tang kotang konnichiwa ka. So, even the village chief. Tang kotang konnichiwa ka. Tang kotang konnichiwa ka. So what is even the village chief? Tang kotang konnichiwa ka. Tang kotang konnichiwa ka. Tang kotang konnichiwa ka. And then the last one we have here is intends to let you know via a dream, I think is the translation. So, yume de shiraseru tsumori desu. Or in Ainu, takara ari an eramuan ka kuski na. So will or intends to is kuski. A dream is takara. Takara. Thereby or by the use of is ari. And then let you know, I think is maybe an eramuan ka. Or let us know, maybe. I'm not entirely sure. So, will be let known, something like that. An eramuan ka. An eramuan ka. So, eramuan, I believe, is to know something. So, if you put ka at the end of it, I think that turns it into a causative, I'd like to say. Anyway. Yume de shiraseru tsumori desu. So, via a dream, someone intends to let us know. So, takara ari an eramuan ka kusuki. Takara ari an eramuan ka kusuki na. I forgot the na. Takara ari an eramuan ka kusuki na. So what is someone or intends to let us know via a dream? Takara ari an eramuan ka kusuki na. Takara ari an eramuan ka kusuki na. Takara ari an eramuan ka kusuki na. So what are the following sentences in English? Tang okkaipo. Tang okkaipo. Tang okkaipo. Yo, a young person, I think. So tang okkaipo. Tang okkaipo. Tang okkaipo. Itak anjik e inu katu enea ni. Itak anjik e inu katu enea ni. Itak anjik e inu katu ene an ni. So listen carefully to what I'm about to say. Itak anjik e inu katu eneani. Itak anjik e inu katu eneani. Itak anjik e inu katu eneani. It wouldn't surprise me if katu eneani is something like listen carefully. So listen in a way which is careful, something like that, rather than just simply listen. Because you can also have inuyang. So maybe it's a little bit more specific than that. Tan kotan nishbaka. Tan kotan kon nishbaka. Whoops, I messed up that one. So tan kotan kon nishbaka. Tan kotan kon nishbaka. This place's village leader. Tan kotan kon nishbaka. Or even. Whoops. So this place's village leader, even. Tan kotan kon nishbaka. Tan kotan kon nishbaka. Tan kotan kon nishbaka. Takara ari an eramuanka kusuki na. Takara ari an eramuanka kusuki na. Takara ari an eramuanka kusuki na. I just thought, actually, I think this is meant to be, we will let even the town leader know via a dream. So maybe it's from the point of view of a god or some spirits or something. So because I don't have any well, I do have context, I just haven't read it. But I think that's what it's meant to be. So takara de shiraseru tsumori desu. We intend to let people know, let everyone know, let the leader know as well, in the form of a dream. So takara ari an eramuan ka kusuki na. Takara ari an eramuan ka kusuki na. Takara ari an eramuan ka kusuki na.